Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable drawer cover glass in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable drawer cover glass. The drawer cover glass serves as a glass shelf. The main reason to replace the vegetable drawer cover glass is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. I'm going to pull out both vegetable drawers by sliding it out, lifting it up, and continue removing. And the second one, same way. Now I'm going to reach in and push up the glass. And I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to, same time, I'm going to push it back. And I'm going to free the front edge, and we can take this one out. This is the old vegetable drawer cover glass next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And I'm going to install the cover glass into the frame. The front end goes first in, and I'm going to slide it in. And let go of the rear end of it. And now I'm going to peel off this tags. All right. Next, I'm going to place the vegetables beans. I'm going to slide it onto these tracks here. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.